Hello everyone, again, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna unbox this intelligent portable measuring instrument. So it can read up into Celsius. Okay, it can read up into Celsius. Okay, and then let's go, gonna open up. This is a Korean product. Okay, this is a Korean product, and just gonna open this up. Okay, and then there it goes. There's the product over here, and then there's a sticker so that you can put it into your wall. So a cord, and then a manual over here. So gonna step aside that one. So there's the manual. So it is a full Korean. Okay, so it is a full Korean. So okay, let's gonna open this up. So okay, there's a stand. Okay, there's a stand over here. So as you can see, it is a stand. As you can see that this is a stand in which you have to put it like that. So just gonna peel this off, and then okay, and then you have to power it on. So okay, and then the manual is full, or is a Korean full. So I'm gonna have to use a text translator. I'm gonna have to use a text translator to understand. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this up. So okay, and then let's gonna have to take it first over here. Okay, okay, and then the tech lang. What is this? Okay, oh no, that's okay. This is not the one. Okay, I'm gonna have to on the camera again. Okay, and then there it goes. Okay, I'm gonna have to see what does it mean. Okay, 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 activate. As you can see here, 3.2 hours made, activate gold online LCD, and also okay, and then I'm gonna have to check another. Okay, okay, gonna have to check. Okay, because this manual is full on Korean. Okay, so what I can see here is okay. Uses arbitrary modify, separate, and repair. Do not drop or shock the product. So and also okay. Um, so let's try another. This is okay. This is hard to understand because it's in Korean language. And also the initialization of your product factory is set in automatic mode, and you can set the operation mode by pressing the button. Okay, pressing the button, and then I think that's it, right? So okay, that's it for the manual. So I'm gonna have to try it. Okay, I'm gonna have to try. So I have some cord over here to use this so that I can manage to put it on. Okay, so the USB cord is too long to use it. So let's go again. Where is this? Okay, where is this? Okay, right here. So okay, I'm gonna have to since the outlet is since the outlet is is near in my table, so I'm just gonna go and try it. Okay, there it goes. So oh, 37. It's a 37.6 degrees Celsius and 89%. Okay, this is nice. Good. This is good. Nice idea. So as you can see, okay, it can detect it can detect body temperature. So you can, yes, look at that. Nice. Okay, 89% of raining. Oh, okay, so okay. Look at that, 89% of raining. It can detect. Okay, it can detect. So and also it has a detection over here or Celsius or Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit, Celsius, and have to press it like that one. The house, okay, in the house you can see that the house, okay, the temperature of our house is 30.4 degrees Celsius. This is a nice one. Okay, this is a nice one. So if you want to press it again, uh, detect your body temperature and the house temperature. Oh, that is the house temperature, and that was my body temperature. So this is a good product. So I'm gonna link none below. The I'm gonna find a link. Oh, I'm gonna find a product of this one in the I'm gonna find a product of this one in the internet if I'm gonna find it. Okay, so this is a good product. Okay, so okay, this is also an unboxing. This is only an unboxing, so I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay, and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you.